Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today my sister's going to be transforming my nails. Before we do that, I'm gonna give a quick shout out to Pfizer. Thank you for commenting on my videos, and if you want to be featured in my next shout out, comment something down below. So now we're going to get right onto this video. So quick explanation, me, my sister. But yeah, as you can see, my nails are really short. They used to be shorter because I bite them a lot. I've been doing this method for a really long time. It's really helped my nails and I've stopped biting them. The first thing you need to do is nail prep. I just applied cuticle oil and pushed back my cuticles. Make sure you do this really gently because you don't want to hurt yourself. And then if you want, you can remove your cuticles. I don't do that because that's just not it for me. I mean, it looks so painful, I could never. So yeah, I just don't, but you can if you want. Next I'm taking a lint-free wipe and I'm just using some nail polish remover to dry out my nails and remove the cuticle oils from my nail plate. Next, I'm just using a nail shiner to buff the surface of my nail so that my manicure will last longer. This will give time for my nails to grow when I have my nails on. Also stops you from biting your nails. By the way, this method has no acrylic. So this is my nails after the nail prep. And the next step is to apply nail tips. I'm using full cover tips and I bought these off of eBay. There's literally 500 pieces for literally $2.99. It's really worth it, guys. But yeah, pick out your sizes and then just file the inside of your tip so that the nails will last longer. If you have a nail drill, it will be a lot easier. And then now I'm just gonna attach them to my nails. I used brush on nail glue and applied it to the nail tip and then stuck it onto my nail. Try not to put too much nail glue because you don't want to flood your cuticles. But yeah, just hold on for about 10 seconds and then let go. Now next, just chop off your finger, psych. You're just gonna trim down your nails. My sister used scissors because she's unprofessional. Nah, I'm joking, she just doesn't have one of those clippy things. Just check to make sure that they are all the same length. Okay, now take a 100-118 nail file and just shape up your nails. I want it square shape. In my last video, I showed how you can get the perfect almond shape, so you can go watch that if you want. Now I'm just filing over the whole surface of the nail to remove the shine so that the polish will last longer. You can use normal polish, but I use gel because I got no time to wait. I don't know, but I feel like when you use gel polish, you will never go back. It just dries so quick. I love it. I'm applying a gel base coat. I'm just doing a thin, even layer. And then I'm gonna cure it for like 2 minutes. Next, I'm just picking the shade I want. I have a review on this polish if you want to go and check this out. It's an Elite 99 gel kit, and I just applied 2 coats. By the way guys, if you want, you can ask me questions in the comments, like a little Q&A thing. I don't mind. Never replying to comments, so comment. Next, I'm taking a nail cleanser and removing the tacky layer. This is so that I can buff over the nails and smooth them out. Finally, I'm applying the top coat, and then I applied some cuticle oil. And you're done! This method is amazing. I know I'm just applying nail tips, but they last like 2 weeks. They're cheap and no acrylic is needed. And it really stops you from biting your nails. It just helps your natural nails grow. And if you want to remove them, just soak them in hot water and oil, and they'll pop right off with no damage. that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family. Bye.